Engine on, driver door open, auto start stop deactivated. That the auto stop start functions are actually damaging engines, and so I want to get that off of my truck. The auto stop start eliminator for the Ford F-150. We just need a 7mm socket. Now my tool set did not even have a 7mm socket, but Friday Parts hooked me up with a brand new tool set that had everything I need. Check it out. This tool set came from FridayParts.com, and we're going to need our 7mm ratchet from FridayParts.com. And let's go ahead and speed that part up. Let's go ahead and put our 2 screws into the front. We will tighten those up with our parts from FridayParts.com. Alright, just turned it on. Check this out. Engine on, driver door open, auto start stop deactivated. Let's go.